Welcome. In this video, I will tell you about best features for students and travelers available on HONOR X7d. This video will be divided in two sections. In the first one, I will tell you about the AI features that both travelers and students can use. And in the second one, I will tell you about the productivity enhancement features. So let's start with AI. First AI feature I want to tell you about is the Magic Portal, which you can use, for example, to quickly find some item, for example, where to buy it or some information about it. To do that, you can either hold your finger down on an image you have and then drag it to the side of your window and then search for it, for example, in Google Images, and just like this, you can find anything related to this image on the internet. You can also use it with the knuckle screenshot gesture. To do that, draw a circle around an object that you want to search for. You can also adjust the selection, and the Magic Portal will automatically open for you, and you will be able to use this feature by tapping on one of the applications that you have here. Now, the other way to use it is, for example, by selecting some text. For example, let's select an address and quickly find where it's located. So here I have the address, or maybe this one, which this one is more complicated. Just select the text, hold your finger down on it, drag it to the side of the window, and then select Maps. And let's put the address into Maps. And this way we can easily find the address that we are looking for. Now, the following feature I want to show you is AI writing and note summarization. So to do that, to use this feature, you have to select some text, for example, on the internet, and select AI writing option. And using this AI writing feature, you'll be able to use many different you'll be able to perform many different actions with this text. This is mostly usable for students. You can, for example, compose this text, you can summarize it, you can rewrite it in different words, you can adjust its length, or you can check for mistakes. Also, these features are available in Notes application, so you just have to select a note that you have, then tap AI Notes, and then you can also summarize it, you can format it, or you can check for mistakes. And if it's an audio recording, for example, a recording of a lecture, you can transcribe it to text using this simple feature. And following feature I want to tell you about is real-time AI translation and subtitles. These are basically two features, but I will put them as one. So just swipe down your control center, tap on the gear icon, then go to HONOR AI section, then select AI subtitles and tap Add next to home screen shortcut. Once you add the AI subtitles, you'll be able to easily transcribe the text that you're listening to. For example, by opening this application. So you can speak into the microphone and then see the real-time transcription of what you're saying on the screen. Or you can enable subtitle and listen to videos on any available platform and see the subtitle, get the subtitle in real time for this video. So, for example, if you are in a public place somewhere and you don't want to be, and you don't have your headphones around, and you just want to watch a video, but you don't want to enable the sound on it, then you can simply enable this feature, and it will transcribe the text and will put this subtitles on display. And the real-time translation is available on your device. By default, you just have to find it somewhere here, maybe in Tools. Yes, in Tools, we have AI Translate. Open this application, and now you can simply speak into the microphone and say whatever you want, and it will translate your text to a different language, and also will say this text aloud so that the other person can hear what you said instantly.
Vous pouvez simplement parler dans le microphone et dire ce que vous voulez, et il traduira votre texte dans une autre langue et dira également ce texte à voix haute afin que l'autre personne puisse entendre ce que vous avez dit instantanément.
So, you see how it works? And this way you can, of course, easily speak with the person whose language you don't know, or if they don't understand your language. These are the AI features for students and travelers. Now let's talk about productivity enhancements. So first of all, I want to show you how multi-window and floating windows work. To enable this feature, you have to go to Settings, then scroll down to Accessibility Features, open this menu, and then go to multi-window. Oh, I actually pressed it right for the first time. Switch this toggle to the right, and then now you can enable these multi-window features by swiping from the side of your phone, and then you can select either one of the quickly available applications, or just tap more and select any other app on your phone, and it will appear in a floating window. And this allows multitasking and using many applications on the screen of your phone, which is mostly helpful for students who want to multitask. And the next thing is the customizable sidebar, which is available once you press the side button on your phone. Here you have different useful features that you can easily get access to by pressing one button of your phone, and you can also add other applications here, the ones that you need, by tapping open apps and then adding some new applications to this list. Tap OK, and now to change the list of custom apps, you have to just tap the gear icon at the top of your screen, and then either remove an application by tapping the next icon next to it, or add a new one by tapping this icon right here, and then selecting up to 5 different applications to put into this menu, and then tap done when you're done. Now the last feature I want to tell you about is the Magic Capsule, and this feature is available, I'm not sure in which menu, so let's just go to Settings and search for Magic Capsule. Select Magic Capsule. Make sure that it's enabled for recording media playback and clock, and this way you will be able to multitask while your phone is performing some task, for example a timer, and it will be displayed around your camera. So let's search for the native clock application. Let's set a timer for example for 15 minutes, and now we can leave this menu and see the time left until the timer time goes out. And you can also tap right here and pause the timer or stop it. You can also play some media on your device and have instant access to it. So for example, this one, I don't have any music currently on my phone, so I'm gonna enable the voice recorder recordings, and we can also you can play them. You can go to the next, to the following one, and then just put it back in tray. And And also you should be able to use it for screen recording and voice recording, but unfortunately maybe on my model this feature isn't available, because if I start a screen recording like using two knuckles tap gesture, it just doesn't appear right here. So, and I don't know if it's even available on this phone, though it's available in settings, and it should work in the way that it just is displayed around your camera. But unfortunately, the recording feature is probably just a gimmick on this phone. And that's all the features for this video. So I hope that it was helpful for you, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.